Hi, welcome back to our Honors Geometry series. This is a very short video on how to solve problems when you have a geometric mean, when you have an altitude drawn into your right triangle. Now, anytime you draw an altitude into a right triangle, you're going to find, or you're going to create, similar triangles, 3 similar triangles. Here's one, here's a second one, and the overall big triangle is a third similar triangle. Now, what you need to identify is what type of problem do you have? Where is your geometric mean? In this case, I'm given the altitude. So if I'm given the altitude, I'm going to use the altitude as the geometric mean. So the altitude is your geometric mean, and the 2 parts of the hypotenuse that were created when you made your altitude and split the hypotenuse, those are your 2 extremes. Those are the 2 whole numbers you'd use to find your mean. Same thing on number 2. My geometric mean, because I'm given an altitude, is 18. And of course you could put the 18 down here and up here as well. And the 2 extremes would be 12 and y, the 2 parts of the hypotenuse. Now if I gave you no altitude length, but if I gave you a leg instead, what you would do is you would use that leg as your geometric mean. So that leg is your geometric mean, and the 2 extremes, the 2 whole numbers, would be the whole hypotenuse, which is in this case 9, and then the part of the hypotenuse that is closest, that is adjacent to that leg. So 5 is adjacent to that leg. That would be my other extreme. Let's try 4. Your geometric mean is the 2, the leg, and your whole hypotenuse would be z, and the part adjacent to your geometric mean would be 16. So there's a very brief introduction on how to set up those problems. Please send me an email with any questions that you have.